Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest in gaming technology. Today, we're looking at a beast of a machine that promises to redefine portable gaming performance. I'm your host's name, and this is the Acer Predator Helios 18. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and the Helios 18 makes a bold statement with its robust aluminum chassis. It's designed to handle serious gaming sessions with ease, and despite its size, it remains surprisingly portable. The customizable LED lighting adds a touch of personalization without being too flashy. However, the placement of some ports could be more convenient, which might bother some users. Moving on to the display, the Helios 18 boasts an impressive 18-inch QHD plus mini LED panel. With a 250Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time, gaming visuals are buttery smooth and incredibly responsive. The HDR support ensures vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making every gaming session immersive and visually stunning. Now, let's talk performance. This machine is powered by the formidable Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and the monstrous NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or tackling resource-intensive tasks, the Helios 18 handles everything with ease. Benchmarks consistently show high scores across the board, delivering exceptional frame rates and rendering speeds. Storage-wise, it doesn't disappoint either. With dual 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSDs in RAID 0 configuration, you get blazing fast read-write speeds, perfect for loading games and large files quickly. Connectivity options are robust, including Thunderbolt 4 ports with 100W charging, HDMI 2.1, and the latest killer Wi-Fi 7 chipset for lag-free online gaming. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: cooling and noise. Under heavy load, the Helios 18 does get warm, and the fans can become quite audible, especially in turbo mode. Acer's cooling system does a decent job of managing heat. But prolonged gaming sessions might require some adjustment to keep temperatures in check. Battery life is where the Helios 18 shows its limitations. Despite its 90 watt-hours capacity, it struggles to go beyond 3 hours under typical use. However, the inclusion of 100W USB-C charging provides some flexibility for on-the-go productivity, though you'll likely need the power brick for extended gaming sessions. Wrapping up, the Acer Predator Helios 18 is undeniably a powerhouse of a gaming laptop. It combines cutting-edge hardware with thoughtful design elements to deliver an exceptional gaming experience. While its premium price tag may deter some, those who demand top-tier performance and versatility won't be disappointed. That concludes our deep dive into the Acer Predator Helios 18. If you're considering investing in this gaming beast, weigh its strengths in performance and design against its limitations in battery life and port placement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy gaming!